Move over, Santa. This is my show.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kravings Adventures. I want to wish you a very happy and blessed holiday season. During the holidays, food and drink are key. And today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple festive drink. I'm talking about Pimms, also known as Pimms number 1. If you've never heard about this, you get this. It actually comes from England and it's super easy to put together. You just mix it together with lemonade, throw in a whole bunch of fruit and call it a day. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. This recipe couldn't be simpler. The ratio for Pimms to lemonade or Sprite or 7-Up is 200 ml of Pimms to 600 ml of lemonade. In this case, I'm going to double the recipe. So in my jug, I'm adding 400 ml of Pimms, and instead of lemonade, I'm going to add a clear sparkling Sprite or 7-Up. You could also add ginger ale if you like. I'm adding 1200 ml of this. I always like to add slices of orange and limes, and for the festive season, I'm going to add a bunch of sliced strawberries as well. Top with a sprig of fresh mint, and this is ready to serve. This not just tastes delicious, it's also Instagram perfect. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Pimms. I love to serve it, not just over the holidays, but anytime I'm having a large group of people over. So simple to make ahead and then it's so easy to serve. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. If you like my videos, do share them with your family and friends. Don't be shy. Leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. And also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!